Hello, thank you for watching my video. I'm Jarrell Aiden Mercurio. In this video clip, we're going to be discussing Nibiru, and of which the Anunnaki are spoken of quite a bit. Now, I end up thinking to myself, if these things are true and Nibiru really exists, then I should be able to find them in the scripture. I did look through Zecharia Sitchin's works, but being an Israeli, I was very doubtful as to the total accuracy of what he was saying. But the premise thereof was very compelling. Well, as I looked through the scripture, the first thing I noticed is that in pictoglyphic Hebrew, the symbol of Nibiru is the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet, the Tav, the cross. Second of all, when we look at Mount Sinai, when we encamped around the tabernacle, we formed that very same unequal formed cross, the symbol of Nibiru, and we were told to institute tabernacles, whereof which our booths were exposed to the night skies. Very interestingly enough, as that would be able to point out its transition in and out of our solar system when it was close by. Now, I also noticed that in the crucifixion scene, at a certain point it said that Nibiru came in through Cancer and out through Capricorn. In the crucifixion scene, we have that very same unequal cross. We have the symbol of Cancer with the 6th to the 9th hour. So I wondered to myself, well, Capricorn's got to be in here somewhere, I'm just not seeing it. Well, if you take the word Nazareth, as in supposed Jesus of Nazareth, King of the Jews, well, take Nazareth through the Hebrew Atbash cipher, where the first is the last and the last is the first, and Nazareth becomes the word Toga, which is the rearranged form of the word goat. In Arabic, Nasrini means a bunch of little fish. So right there, in one word, we have the encoded reference to Capricorn and the transitional path of Nibiru in through Cancer and out through Capricorn. Now, in Revelation, we are told about New Jerusalem descending like a bride out of heaven. Well, heaven isn't some sort of mythological place. It references either to the sky or outer space. Now, at first it's being described of as a cube, but the reference to the wall of 144 cubits reduces it back down to a pyramidal shape. Interestingly enough, pyramids are references to stars, and I thought to myself, I wonder what star this is. Could it be the Star of Bethlehem, whose symbol is an unequal formed cross, the symbol of Nibiru? Well, according to the Great Pyramid of Egypt, a cubit is 25 inches. Well, 25 times 144 equals 3,600, thereby giving the orbital path and mathematical year of 3,600 years. Now, on an offshot, it's normally nowadays referred to as Planet X, the 10th planet, when in actuality it's the 12th. In ancient times, the Earth was described as Planet X because X marks the spot, and this is where they were coming to. Nowadays, we know that symbol to be that of Tet, the serpent in the basket. The basket being the circle, and the serpent being the X, the twisted or wicked cross. Leviathan, the twisted serpent. Well, I hope you enjoyed yourself today and you learned something. Feel free to leave any comments, any future suggestions for discussions, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.